generally what happens is in early days, आप इन्वेस्ट करते हो बिकॉज कोई और इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है, या आप इन्वेस्ट करते हो बिकॉज किसी और ने पैसा बना लिया उस स्टॉक में, तो बिना कोई रिसर्च के 3-4 लोगों ने नाम जो बता दिया आपने उसमें इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, पहले 1-2 महीने में उसमें रिटर्न बन भी जाता है, देन यू पुट मोर मनी, देन इवेंचुअली यू लूज मनी. So most of those stocks probably would be down 95, 98, 99%, not even existing in that first phase. So over time, since 2006-7, I realized mutual fund is a better way to invest. I rather focus most of my energy in growing in my career, in learning my professional skills so that I can do a better job in my career, earn better salaries over time. And that saving then goes into mutual funds. India is blessed to have over time 40-50 fund houses and meaningful number of solid fund managers who are doing a good job of deploying money on my behalf or on behalf of all investors. So over time, I have become a pure mutual fund investor. I don't do stocks. We at DSP don't invest in stocks. All of us invest our money only in our schemes. Also because when we preach to the world that, invest in our funds, we would like us to be also bound and governed by those rules. So I don't have, really great memories about stock investing because for the last 17-18 years, I have not invested in stocks. In fact, every chance I get, I keep selling whatever old stocks are there because I have to take approvals. And on that day, the fund should not be buying or selling. Sometimes those windows don't match. But I'm, in a way, an unusual investor because I belong to the fund industry, and my belief system has been that keep investing simple. Account statement jitna chota ho, hopefully returns utna bada hoga is the thought process I have.
तो आपने फर्स्ट म्यूचुअल फंड में कौन से फंड में इन्वेस्ट किया था, आपको याद है, एंड पैसा बनाया था?
So I'll tell you, like I gave you these 3-4 names. These were, very credible fund houses. All the names that I mentioned. And thankfully, see, हमारे धंधे में competition भी सब अच्छे है. Competition में जितने भी लोग हैं, lot of them are like credible people, credible money managers. In those days, like I said, it's, Prudential के funds थे, DSP के funds थे, Franklin Templeton was there, Kothari Finance है, Franklin था याद नहीं है मुझे. One of my senior from college was in one of these mutual funds, and she was heading sales, or she was one of the salesperson. So she used to come and, talk to us that why should you invest in XYZ funds? And in 98, 99, interest rates were at 14 or 15% in India. Government of India bonds were at 15%. Equity markets were going nowhere. And you just buy a government bond, 15% तो आपको सीधा ब्याज ही मिल रहा है उस बॉन्ड का, सॉवरेन पे. और फिर उस जमाने में इंटरेस्ट रेट्स धीरे धीरे नीचे आना शुरू हुए थे, तो मार्क टू मार्केट गेन्स हो गया. तो इफेक्टिवली 1 या 2 साल में 20-25% रिटर्न बन रहा था गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड में. सो यू लर्न रॉन्ग लेसन्स दैट पैसा बहुत इजीली बनता है. इज द रॉन्ग लेसन यू लर्न. एंड द लेसन आई लर्न इज दैट आई एम अ गुड इन्वेस्टर. द लेसन टू लर्न वाज दैट it is the bond which is making money because you invested at very high rates and those rates were coming down. So the first phase, good money was made in government bonds. But around the same time started the bubble of tech, 2000, 99-2000. Y2K phase was there. Indian tech companies were becoming dominant and were growing at 70-80% profit growth. And a lot of technology funds were launched. And even stocks, like you spoke about stocks, some of the stocks I would have invested in were all tech stocks, but not the right tech stocks. So a lot of stocks which did not survive, a lot of companies which did not survive. So that was a phase, 99-2000. First 6 months stocks went up sharply, but in the next 3 years, most of these stocks fell by 70-80%, including good stocks like the Wipros and the Infosys of today. So they were growing profits year on year at 50, 60, 70%, but their valuations had reached 100 times. The learning was कि जब 100 का P आप किसी चीज को दे देते हो, तो it is a tall task for that company. The company will grow, but the stock will not make money. So it takes time to learn these lessons, and it takes 10 years to learn lessons for the next 10 years. So in that phase, I lost money on a very small pool of capital in these technology funds in technology stocks. फिर 2000 से 2003 का bear market था जब our stock market fell by 40-50% CAGR, 40% 40 to 50% fall, price fall, and 3 years of no returns. So huge compounding loss if you had kept money in a safer asset class. So yeah, that is how I started, and in a way, I'm happy that the early learnings were losing money, but on small amounts of money, and that helps you. So that has shaped a little bit of my thinking today. It has also made me a conservative investor. It also, in a way, sometimes makes me earn lower returns than maybe everyone else sometimes, because I am a conservative investor. I've seen 70-80% fall in value, price correction. So now you know what not to do, and that to me is how my journey started.
सो आप कहना चाह रहे हो कि अगर एक स्टॉक है जो 100 के पी पे ट्रेड कर रहा है, नो मैटर कितने भी फंडामेंटल स्ट्रांग है, कितना भी ग्रो हो जाए, दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू गुड फार रिटर्न्स एज सच.
So इसमें ऐसा होता है कि generally at large you can make that hypothesis. There are unique cases, जैसे अभी इस फेज में Nvidia का स्टॉक है, वो मैं देख रहा था अभी 4 साल पहले $12 बिलियन का रेवेन्यू था शायद, और आज $130 बिलियन का रेवेन्यू है. तो वो स्टॉक भी जो स्पीड से ग्रो हो रहा है कंपनी, बिकॉज रेवेन्यूज आर ग्रोइंग, प्रॉफिट्स आर ग्रोइंग, देयर विल बी 1 or 2 आउटलायर्स लाइक दिस, एंड देन टेम्पररी सम कंपनीज दे हैव वेरी हाई ग्रोथ रेट्स because either they are doing something different, something new, some new technology, and suddenly it's taking off. In the first phase, you do make money, but you need to then decide when to get out. Because if you go by base rates, which means you say that if there were 100 companies in the last 30-40 years, which at some point in time reached 70, 80, 90, 100 P multiple, and you invested in all of them, how many of them in the next 10 years made money? And the answer may be 1 or 2%.
Oh.
और इसका एक मैथमेटिकल रीजन है. इट्स नॉट कि मैथमेटिकल रीजन क्या है. 100 का पी, सी व्हाट डज पी मीन टुडे? निफ्टीज पी इज 25. For some of these are crude ways of thinking about returns. It's a very crude way, not a perfect science. 25 P means 4% earnings yield. 100 divided by 25. So आपका earnings yield, starting yield 4% है, उसके ऊपर फिर dividend yield 2-3% ऐड कर लो, थोड़ा बहुत growth आ गया. So your core return gets anchored to a lower number because you are paying high. Now, if you're paying 50 PE, you're starting at an earnings yield of 2%. If you're paying 100 PE, you're starting at an earnings yield of 1%. If you look back at history, Japan, which is one of the developed countries of the world, a lot of us will aspire to live in countries like these, which are, become sophisticated, modern, developed, comfortable. उसका मार्केट भी निकाय 1980s या टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ 1980s 90s में 70-80 P तक पहुंच गया था. एंड फॉर द नेक्स्ट 30 years the market gave zero return. The market as a whole gave zero return. That price got recovered very recently in the last 2 years. So if you overpay for anything which is not justified, then what would have happened is that time उस साल का 1 year return would have been very good. Last 5 year return would have looked very good to trap you into thinking that these last 5 year returns are going to be my next 5 year returns also. But most likely it is the other way around.
And what has been your best and worst investment when it comes to investing in your entire career? The reason I'm asking you this is कि best investment से हमको ये framework जानना है कि आप क्या देखते हो before investing, and worst investment से ये सीखना है कि आपने क्या गलती की थी वो investment.
तो पहले तो एक disclaimer है कि काफी time luck is a very important role. You may have had a very stupid way of investing, and that also can give you very high returns, and you would have done all your homework right, and still you would have earned very poor or negative returns also. So luck is one important dimension in the outcome. The fact that as a human race we are alive and we are talking today is also a huge role of luck, randomness. Same applies in investing. So I always say that start from thinking that luck plays a very important role. Skill of course important है, but luck को आप ignore नहीं कर सकते हो. दूसरा, in terms of, let's say, see again, I don't have memories of stock investments because I've not done it since 2007 now. The last stock investment I would have done would have been in 2007. After that, everything has been 100% in mutual funds. But broadly, the framework of bad investing is you buy a bad company, you don't make money in the long term, in the medium to long term. You buy at bad prices, which is crazy, obscene valuations. Again, you don't make money. You give money to companies, or companies which are governed badly, where the profits are accounting profits but not real profits. Eventually market को पता चलता है, you don't make money. You give money to a company which is growing very fast, accounting profits but cash flow में नहीं आ रहा है, or promoters are taking money out. You as a shareholder don't get advantage. Again, you don't make money. You buy capital inefficient businesses again at wrong valuations. You don't make money. A company or a promoter who is into empire building, constantly doing acquisitions and buying other businesses at peak of their cycle or at peak of their valuations. Again, such businesses in the medium to long term have not made money. So once you know what does not make money, a easier thing is to put a minus sign in front of it. अब पता है क्या नहीं करना है, इसका जब उल्टा आप कर लोगे, you automatically get an answer of how to make money. So I have seen that if you buy money, if you invest when others are not investing, is a very good framework to make money. And if you look at history, on the flip side is if you invest extensively when everyone has made it a norm कि पैसा तो ऐसे ही बनता है, लोगों ने अपने जॉब्स और बिजनेसेस छोड़ दिए हैं इस फेज में स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा लगाने के लिए, कि दिस इज फास्टर वे टू मेक मनी. आई कैन मेक in 3 months as much money as the company is taking 3 years to earn ROE or profits. So there are times when making money has become very easy in an asset class. Everyone is crowding in. Those are wrong times to invest. So those are the times when future returns are generally low or very poor or even negative. So simply put, coming back, the framework is good businesses and good prices for good periods of time. These are very elementary frameworks. Everyone will say the same boring 3 lines. But generally 85-90% of times this works.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.